Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to open File Explorer in CMD. Okay, it's really easy and simple. First come here to search and type in CMD, okay, or command prompt. Now come here, click on open. So you're gonna launch this. Now all you need to do, type here is Explorer, like this, and just press enter. Let me show you what's going to happen. It'll open up the File Explorer. As you can see right here, opens that up. And all you can also do is type in Explorer and then Pictures. So that will open up the Pictures folder from Explorer. And you can do this for specific things as well. All right, so I'll open up Pictures. Let's see. There you go. Just wait for that to pop up. And there you go. And you can open up specific files as well. So if I do Explorer theory.png, right, it will open up this exact file. And there you go, guys. Really that easy and simple.